I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Taurus, welcome to your reading. May 14th to May the 21st. Welcome to Babaylan TV, where intelligent spirituals meet. Ayan. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, meron tayong experiences dito na hindi pa natin siya na-achieve or gusto nating ma-enhance pa, no? Ang ating let's say experience dito kay person. We are probably manifesting, praying, hoping, no? Ginagawa na natin lahat. We're truly focused on elevations, no? Good experiences. Not only ikaw ang makapagbigay ng good experience, but also si person mag-reciprocate, no, dito sa iyo. The Four of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Empress. Oh, wow. Meron ka talagang gusto ditong either minamadali, no? It can be the relationship per se, but I'm also seeing you want some changes also sa katawan mo. It's not that you're not happy. You just want to, let's say, parang sabihin natin, parang i-tweak, no, yung look. It could be the makeup, it could be your hair color, no? Baka nagpa-extensions, nagpagupit ng buhok, nagpataba, nagpapayat. You want some improvements that you think na ito yung magbagay sa akin. There's something about the aesthetics, no? Na parang ginagawa ninyo. When it comes to relationship naman, especially doon sa mga singles, I feel like bakit parang dahil ba tag-ulan, medyo nilalamig na. Hindi pa naman, pero kagabi malamig, no? Pero yung yung ginagawa mo dito is more of baka merong kang goal. Sana itong birthday ko, makakita naman ako ng taong para sa akin, or baka bago sana naman matapos ang taon na ito, no? Magkaroon na ng taong mag-a-approach sa akin, no? For crushes and no labels, ang nakikita kasi natin dito, chances are parang you're pulling the energy or your person towards you. Hindi ko naman sinasabi nagiging OA tayo. There may be things that we are doing that we're really not that kind of person. Let's say, baka hinahabaan mo yung pasensya mo kay person, wherein in fact, maikli lang talaga yung pasensya mo. Of course, ganoon naman kasi talaga, lalo na sa kung wala pang relationship, no? Everyone wants to impress the other person, no? Pero you know that somewhat, hindi mo naman ito ginagawa before. I feel like ngayon mo lang ito ginawa sa kanya, or ngayon mo lang ito ginawa, period, sa kanya pa. So I feel like there's really deep emotions na nafe-feel mo para dito sa taong to, no? In a relationship, medyo mag-ingat lang if in case that you are not ready for pregnancy or to have a child. Pero kung gusto nyo naman na, then go. I think like this week, medyo mapagbibigyan tayo na makabuo, no? Ganun din naman sa mga married couple. Again, kung wala naman tayong against, no, it's your body. Kung you feel like you're not ready but you are active, then do either the natural process or contraceptives. Do whatever it takes, no? Kung third party situation naman, ang nakikita natin dito, medyo kinakabahan tayo, no? Kasi baka mamaya, whether ikaw yung third party or whether ikaw yung original, feeling mo yung iyong karibal, no? Baka nabuntis na. So I think that kind of anxiety, medyo nababother tayo at hindi tayo nakakapagpatulog-tulog, no? Separated couples, siguro nag-aantay tayo talaga. Naiinip na tayo ng kakaantay for our person to reciprocate, no? The energy, parang gusto mo siyang tapikin na, hoy, nandito ako nag-aantay. The Devil card, the Judgment, and the Two of Cups. Alam mo rin yun na parang meron si person may pinipigil. Iba yung energy na na-emit niya, na na-receive mo, pero iba din yung mga kilos niya. No? You feel like intentional, yung kanyang pagbabagal-bagalan. So, pero alam mo na meron pang feelings or meron ng feelings. Doon sa mga singles, medyo mag-ingat lang tayo dahil baka baka sa sobrang kakamadali natin, makapili tayo ng hindi masyadong maganda, no, ang ugali, that won't match, no, your vibrations. Doon naman sa mga crushes and no labels, I feel like alam mo, ramdam mo, meron ng feelings yung person mo. Yun nga lang, hindi sila masyadong showy, hindi rin sila masyadong expressive, no? So, doon sa mga in a relationship, married couple, yung sa inyo naman, parang magiging exage yung expression nito ng person mo to a point wherein maiisip mo, bakit ganito siya ngayon? Huwag mo pag-iisipan kasi I feel like medyo meron ditong codependency na nabibuild up. So gusto niya palagi kang malapit sa kanya or baka nagsiselos din, hindi natin alam. No, may tumatakbo sa isip niya kasi with the Devil card in here, maraming pwedeng mangyari at marami siyang naiisip na whether totoo or hindi, ang gusto nito is more maging close sa'yo. So parang nakabantay, no? Third party situation, it kind of make me feel na ganun din, parang ibubuhos sa'yo lahat this week ang kanyang attention, affection, so parang nasosolo mo siya, no? Separated couples, it's actually a different thing. Medyo may pagka-controlling si person, parang doon siya babagsak din kay crushes and no labels, no? Na ayaw niya masyadong i-express, pero alam mo gusto naman niyang mag-reach out, hindi siya mag-reach out. The Six of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Three of Wands. I feel like wag nating masyadong i-push, imadali. Good news is still here, no? We just need to wait a bit. I think that the bottom line here is wait for the divine timing. Whatever it is that you're wishing, hoping, praying, I feel like it is going to happen. It is yours. It is for you. It just requires a bit of patience, no? Baka kasi masyado nating i-push, imadali, that might lead us to more waiting. So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, Gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon, no? Kung hindi nyo maabot yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions, no? For your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, the zodiac sign of your person, again, this might be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Libra, Capricorn. Oh wow. Yun. So that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.